Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to copy Instagram group chat invite link. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Once open the Instagram application, locate and click on the messenger icon at the top right. Come down here and then select the group chat. On the group chat, click on the group name. Then you should see your invite link. Go ahead and click on that. Then click on copy to copy the Instagram group chat invite link. Or better still, while you're on the group chat page, click on invite link. And then you can just go ahead, copy the group chat invite link, send it in Instagram, or turn this to QR code, or even share the group chat link to your friends and family on Messenger, Facebook, or WhatsApp, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to copy group chat link on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.